Good morning, dear televiewers. Welcome on the first edition of the Week of the Press Review on Reflet d'Afrique Television. We open today's reading with the newspaper Cameroon Insider, the bi-weekly newspaper, who talks about regional council. Voters choose pioneer councillors. Elections to select the first ever regional councillor took place in all the 10 regions of the country yesterday. Reports say the exercise unfolded in all the 58 constituencies without hitches. Read page 3 for more. Page 4 talks about the National Assembly. MPs adopt finance bill to a heated debate. The session that took place on Friday lasted for about 11 hours. MP quizzed the 15 government ministers on various projects embarked or forgotten in the 2021 state budget. The bill is set to be tabled to the Senate today. Page 2 of this journal says, following a decree signed on December 3, 2020, President Biya extends retirement ages of some civil administrators. The Guardian Post Daily talks about regional elections. The SDF councillors defy party's decision to vote massively. Details on page 3. Page 5 talks about the Nsor who tiptoes into Kumbo votes. The semi-headline of the same journal states, bedridden traditional rulers ferried to vote drops dead at poll station. Read page 2. Page 3 of the same journal has details on the military escort shield councillors to vote in the northwest and the southwest. The Sun equally talks about President Biya, who prolongs career of retiring civil administrators. MPs adopt 4,862.2 billion francs CFA on the 2021 budget in a stormy session. The budget allocated to drive decentralization. SDF MPs Kabralibi failed to stall adoption of bill. Osim mocks decentralization proponents on desiring a federal budget in a decentralized system. Read page 2. The journal comes back on the 2020 regional elections hold heat-free, but 2 traditional rulers reportedly die on election day. Page 4 talks about the UK and France who signed partnership with Cameroon to stabilize Lake Chad. The Horizon paper's main headline talks about the Anglophone crisis. Cameroon army hit by desertion. Internal memo reveals list of hundreds of soldiers believed to have deserted the army. Read page 5. The journal Ladies News talks about the Ministry of Secondary Education Alova Lyonga, who promotes several women. Economy reports on its headline talks about Réforme les pleins pouvoirs de l'art. Its semi-headline talks about entrepreneurship and it mentions les premiers résultats des jeunes financés par le PA Jeune. Read page 6 and 7. This is all the papers had for us this morning, dear televiewers. Thanks for listening and watching till the end. See you tomorrow for another edition. Until this, have a blessed week.